honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm going to air fry some naked chicken wings. And they're pretty much still frozen. They've been washed, cut, marinated with yellow mustard, seasoned good. Look at that. And I can break some of them apart, but they're pretty much frozen. I want to cook all these in the air fryer basket. My 5.8 quart COSORI air fryer. This one here. Plug it in. Let me move it over some. It's sitting on a countertop rolling tray. And I put this in the description box. Am I going to preheat it? I guess I will. I'm going to preheat it. Okay. And I always like to pull the air fryer out from the wall so that hot air that's coming out of this vent won't blow right on my paint. Even though the whole kitchen needs to be repainted, I don't want it bubbling and peeling my paint. So I'm going to snip this. And since they're going to be naked, I'm not going to use any oil. I'm not sure if I'm going to toss these in sauce or not. I'm not sure yet. But some of them are kind of thawed out. I want to fix them all at one time. That's a bunch of wings in there, y'all. I'm tired of waiting. It's only been a minute. Put them in here. I doubt if they'll be able to be in one layer. Throw that away. I don't want to touch them with my hand, but I'm going to have to. I'm breaking them apart. You know what? Oh. I don't know if I'm going to leave this in or not. Figure out what I got on. Is that the lemon pepper? I don't know. Hard to tell. Need something red on here. Using this Frank's Red Hot Original Seasoning Blend. So I'm not going to put any oil. And this stuff, it says red hot, and it looks like the hot sauce bottle, but no, it's not hot. Okay, trying to get every piece. That's a bunch of wings, y'all. And they're partially frozen. Okay, I'm going to turn this off. Turn it on and put it on the chicken setting. I want them to cook at 400 degrees. Let's instead of 380. How many minutes? Maybe 20 minutes. 22 minutes, okay? And I will check them to see if the basket needs to be shaken, shook. So we're gonna see if it's gonna cook all these wings at one time. I usually put half as many in there. Okay, I'll be back. Bye. Okay, I'm gonna check my wings. There's smoke and steam coming. You know what? I'm noticing condensation. I'm gonna show y'all. There's condensation up in here. I guess from cooking frozen wings. Okay, I've never cooked frozen wings before and had this much food in the basket. So I noticed that the top of the wing is nice and crispy, but the other side of the wing isn't. So I'm gonna have to flip these wings. I usually don't have to flip my wings, but I'm all for crispy. These actually look like they've been breaded. So y'all don't have to, this is how the underside looks. Usually with the COSORI, I don't have to flip wings, but I have to do what I gotta do. Okay, this one looks good, but I'm gonna flip it and cook it the rest of the time. And I'm gonna turn this off for now so y'all ain't gotta watch me flip each and every wing. Okay, I flipped each and every wing. I'm gonna season this side with some of this. And this one neat. I wonder. Okay, this should be good. I like how it stops when you open the drawer, and then when you put it back in there, it picks up where it left off. I wish my COSORI air fryer oven did that, but it doesn't. This leaked. I think I better stay in here and watch it. I've got 5 more minutes. I'm hoping the other side will get just as crispy as the first side. So far, I'm satisfied with how it looks. Like I said, I didn't add any oil. You don't need to add oil on naked wings. Only on breaded wings. Because the skin on the naked wings will make its own oil. Let's see how it's doing. Nicely. Okay. I'm back. Okay, just stopped. Let me show y'all. I added a couple more minutes for a total of 25 minutes. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Naked wings. You don't see what I'm doing? This actually cooked as much as my air fryer oven cooked in a big old 9x13 pan. I'm surprised.
hit.
This is the cleanup I have to do. Very little cleanup. And it's not that much oil in the bottom. But I didn't spray any oil on here. I'll clean this later. And I always unplug my air fryer. Okay, let me show you this platter of chicken wing pieces. These are naked seasoned wings. No oil. And I cooked them for 25 minutes. And I did have to flip them so both sides would be nice and golden brown and crispy. Let's see how crispy they are. That's one I want. A little one. That's how it looks. Both sides. Y'all hear that? It's piping hot. It's hot. You y'all hear the crunch. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Good and done. Let me take a picture. Walter has been through here about 3 times already to see what was done. Okay, I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed day. I'm going to get a thumbnail of the whole platter, -1. That's how the chicken looks, y'all. It's healthier this way than putting breading on chicken all the time. Okay. And it's seasoned to perfection. I don't need no hot sauce, no ketchup, no barbecue sauce. I don't need to do nothing but leave it alone. Okay, I'm going for real now. Bye.